One of the cool iPhone features that I use often is called the burst mode. With the iPhone burst mode, I can take hundreds of pictures with a single click. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Let's say I want to take a picture of this particular Rubik cube, and I enable the iPhone burst mode like this. You can see the counter. So this is actually taking this picture, and here I have roughly 59 pictures. So you can see this here. So I have 59 pictures, and in these 59 pictures I can actually select the one I wanted. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use burst mode on iPhone and how to select and deselect unwanted picture on your burst mode. Now this is what you need to do. Go to your camera. Once you are on your camera, you can do this. Make sure you press and hold this button like this. So if you press to this side, this is going to lock your recording, but that is not it. We actually want to take a burst mode, right? Just drag this here, so you cannot lock the burst mode. So while the burst mode is taken, you can keep rotating your picture like this. So this is best for advertisement like this. So I'm using burst mode, and as you can see, I already have about 170 burst photos. Now this is over 200 burst photos on my iPhone. Now this is it. Let me go to my photo, and I'm going to open this burst mode for you to see, and this is it. Now if we check the top here, I'm going to show you something here, right? You see this is 205 photos taken with burst mode on iPhone, and this is how you can actually edit your burst mode. Once you open your iPhone, tap on the thumbnail of the burst photo that you took and tap select. Once you hit the select, you see this pop up. All of the photo will come up here. You say these are in different size and format. Now you can just check through this and then select the ones that you want to save or keep on your iPhone. So make sure you select them like this. Use this arrow to check through. Select, then select. Again, select. Once you are done selecting the ones you want to add to your photo gallery, this is what you need to do. Tap on the done button at the top right, and once you hit the done button, you should see a pop-up that says keep everything or keep only 9 favorite. And now that you've selected the photos that you wanted to keep from the burst mode photo, you need to click on keep only 9 favorite. Doing this will erase other burst mode photo from your iPhone. So but if we choose to keep everything, this is going to keep the entire 205 burst photo on my iPhone. So I just need to click on keep only 9 favorite. You see this? Then instantly the photo will adjust, and here I have only 9 favorites. So this is how to use burst mode on iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.